What's going on, doers? Just want to do a quick video and kind of go over what kind of books to get for Amazon, because I've been getting a lot of questions and I decided to just do a video so that way I can just kind of help you guide you guys, so that way you guys can be more efficient with your time and get what pretty much sells, what I found to help me sell and whatnot. So again, this works for me, so for everybody else it might be a little bit different. So when I go to Goodwill, first thing I do is I ask what color sticker of the day is. So let's say the color today, I forget what day this was, but let's say it's white. So everything there would be white is 50% off. So this book would have cost $1.50 because it's $3, so half of off. So I kind of try to look right away for white stickers, but then what I kind of scope for is, I know there's people out there that scan every book. That's not me, because I don't really have time. Like I said, I limit myself to an hour and a half. That's what I put in the meter, so I know what my time is, so the efficiency. So I give myself 15 minutes to check out, so I give myself about a good hour to source. So all right, so once I get to the shelf, like I said, I look for white stickers. But then what I also do is I pretty much, if you look at my books, I only look for new books, and also a lot of them are hardcover. So one thing what I do is I'll grab the basket and I'll just grab about 10 to 15 books what I think would sell. So I put them all in and I start scanning them like that. So books that sell for me are a lot of health books, cookbooks, history books, books about like places, also politician books, autobiography books. So let's so you kind of see what, and also baby books. So those are what sell for me pretty well. So, but if you look, the key thing is try to get new books, because with new books, you can get at least top dollar per se. So my goal on each of these books is for it to be selling for at least $20 or more on Amazon. So, let's go ahead and look at this Babysitter's Club book. I don't know. Let's take a look and see what that's at. So right now, Amazon FBA has it for $29.99. So here's also how I look at the pricing. So like I said, so I only look at Prime because I'm sending this stuff into Prime. So the cheapest one is $29.98, another one for $29.99, and another for $29.99. So if you listed this for $29.50, yours will probably sell first because it's on Prime and it's the lowest price. So this book, I'll probably sell it for $29.50, and I bought it for $1.50. So the cool thing is, once you do it, so let's go right here, kind of gives you an idea of what you'll make. So what does it say? $29.50, right? And the book cost me $1.50. So after fees and everything, I'll make $17.06 off my $1.50 off of this book. Not bad. So that's kind of how I do it. So I look for hard books, a lot of hardcover books, because hardcover books always look pretty much brand new. And the other tip that I have for you guys is always, if you find a new book, always open up the front page just to make sure there's no writing. Also, to give you an idea what the book costs, a lot of times they'll have the price right here. So to kind of guide you and give you an idea if you're not sure what to list the book price, if there's nothing on Amazon so you can reference to. So this is a softer book, but you can see that this book is new because I check the binding to make sure it's not bent, it's pretty much straight, and then if you open it, it's pretty much brand new. Like, these are kind of cool pages. I like these kind of pages I found out. So yeah, you can see right there on the binding that it's pretty much brand new. So like I said, cookbooks, biography books.
Wikipedia article
Alexa, stop. That's pretty funny. It's kind of scary, but.
Would you like me to keep reading?
Wow. No, Alexa, stop.
Sorry.
Alexa, stop. Jesus, sorry about that, guys. So, cookbooks, financial books, also biography books, like places like Europe or history of Spain, stuff like that, and baby books, mental health books as well, and cookbooks. So those are kind of the general area of what helps me. I'll do a description below, and I kind of rephrase it, and I kind of put a list of what kind of books helps me or whatnot. So if you guys have any questions, just comment below. I'm going to do more videos about this and just sourcing, and I'm going to try to do more on the actual channel. I'm going to try to grow it, push it a little bit more, kind of do like a vlog of it as well, not just of this stuff, showing me just going out and sourcing and just doing whatnot. So let me know if you guys want to see more. All right, guys, talk to you later. Have a good one. Peace.